Welcome to 2024 Savings Hacks, live large on less, where we uncover the secrets to maintaining a luxurious lifestyle while keeping your wallet happy. Today, I'm going to show you that saving money isn't just a necessity, it's a life hack that can significantly enhance your quality of life. From housing to dining, travel, and even setting up trust funds for your kids, I've got practical tips that will help you live large on a budget. Get ready to learn how to balance saving with living well, because it's entirely possible to do both without compromise. Let's dive deep into one of your biggest expenses, housing. The key to reducing housing costs isn't just about moving to a cheaper area, it's about making smart choices where you are. Consider house hacking, where you rent out a portion of your property to offset your mortgage payments. Look into refinancing options to lower your interest rates and reduce monthly payments. Don't overlook the potential of long-term leases for securing lower rental rates. Additionally, embracing minimalism can reduce the need for a larger space, thus lowering your housing costs without sacrificing style or comfort. Remember, each decision doesn't just save money, it builds your financial resilience. Transportation can eat up a significant portion of your budget, but there are numerous ways to cut down these costs. Start by evaluating your need for a vehicle. If public transportation meets your needs, selling your car could save you thousands per year on maintenance, insurance, and fuel. For those who need a car, consider a reliable, fuel-efficient model, or explore the burgeoning world of electric vehicles to save on long-term costs. Carpooling is another excellent way to reduce expenses and environmental impact. Lastly, don't underestimate the health and financial benefits of biking or walking for shorter commutes. Each step you take or pedal you push saves money and promotes a healthier lifestyle. Enjoying meals out doesn't have to drain your wallet. The trick is to dine smart. First, take advantage of dining rewards programs and apps that offer discounts or cash back. Opt for dining out during lunch rather than dinner, as many restaurants offer the same dishes at lower prices. Also, consider sharing larger portions or opting for appetizers as a main course to reduce costs without sacrificing the experience. Don't forget about happy hours or special days when restaurants offer significant discounts. Lastly, embracing local eateries over chain restaurants can often yield more affordable and authentic dining experiences. With these tips, you can savor the pleasure of eating out while nurturing your savings. Traveling doesn't have to be expensive if you plan wisely. Start by choosing destinations that are known for their value, like Southeast Asia or Eastern Europe, where your dollar stretches further. Booking flights and accommodations well in advance can secure you the best rates. Consider traveling during the off-season when prices are lower and tourist spots are less crowded. Use Travel Rewards credit cards to earn points that can be redeemed for flights or hotel stays. Lastly, embrace the local lifestyle by using public transportation and eating where locals do. This not only saves money but also enriches your travel experience with authentic cultural immersion. Setting up a trust fund for your children is a fantastic way to secure their financial future. Start by defining clear goals for the trust, whether it's education, health, or general well-being. Shop around for financial advisors who specialize in trust funds and can offer tailored advice based on your financial situation and goals. Consider low-risk investments within the trust that grow steadily over time, such as bonds or index funds. Regularly review and adjust the trust's investments to align with changing market conditions and your child's evolving needs. Finally, educate your children about financial literacy to ensure they make the most of this gift. A well-managed trust fund not only supports your children, but also teaches them the value of financial planning. Thanks for joining me on this journey through 2024 Savings Hacks, live large on less. Remember, the key to saving is not about cutting corners, but about making smarter choices that align with your lifestyle goals. By applying these hacks, you're not just saving money, you're investing in a richer, more fulfilling life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found these tips helpful. Stay tuned for more insights on how you can thrive financially without sacrificing the joys of life. Here's to your success and financial freedom. See you in the next video.